friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Daily Has Plans. In today's video, we are doing a flip through of September in my plum paper vertical columns. So let's take a peek. All right, so starting with the index page for September, I like to use this page to kind of use up extra deco or just kind of zhuzh it up and kind of make it fun. And add a few little stickers here. So these are actually leftover deco pieces from Orange Umbrella Co. Kit 159, which was called Summer Nights. I used the kit at the end of August, so I thought let's just make use of all of these leftover pieces. I thought it looked good against this green. So let's go ahead and flip open the book and we'll start looking through the month. Okay, so looking at the highlights page, this is Kit 148 from Orange Umbrella Co. It's called Flower Garden. I thought it was really sweet. I have my scripts here. These are from Nicole Hutch Designs, as well as these two little icons here. And then this one's from Planner Kate. I was watching a lot of shows. Where the Crawdads Sing came out on, I think it was on Amazon, and I had read the book with a book club that I used to be in, and so I was really excited to see that. I thought they did a really good job with the movie. It stayed pretty close to the book, really close to the book, so that was good to see. Watched a couple of comedies as well, and then I keep writing When Life Gives You Lululemons down in my what I'm reading, because that was the book I started, but just have not been reading at all, really, friends. So highlight of the month for me was getting to visit Emma at college. We had a really good time. Sophie and I drove out to see her and spent the weekend with her, so it was really fun. I have not yet moved my filming set, like where I film my videos. I'm a little worried, even though I want to move into the girls' old playroom and be able to have a door that I can close and kind of make it a little more quiet. It's not very bright in there. There's a couple of skylights, and the overhead light is not super bright. So, and I do have lighting, but I'm a little worried about that. But I did get the upstairs cleaned. The upstairs in our house is just kind of office space, open loft space in the girls' playroom. So I was able to just kind of clean all that out. We don't actually have living space up here, so to speak, like our bedrooms are not up here, but so that was pretty easy. So yeah, and then the other fun thing was we brought back the annual bowling party at work. So that was really fun. I actually won one of the awards, so I enjoyed that. I loved anchoring this page with washi on top and bottom. I just thought this was such a cute kit. So flipping over into the month view, all of this basically is from the kit, except for these holidays are from Fern Creek stickers. It's a sheet of all the holidays. I really like it just because they are very kind of nondescript. They don't take up a ton of space, but they're cute. The flea and tick meds, that's also from Fern Creek stickers. This basketball practice is from Phoenix Plans. So we started getting into preseason conditioning with basketball, but a lot of these boxes here, these are from the kit. All right, so going into the first week, I love this kit. So this is the Fern Creek Stickers July Mystery Kit. And I think they called it Groovy. I'm not sure what she called it. Anyways, I know that Orange Umbrella Co. also used the same art and did their version of it as well. And I love all of this artwork, the patterns and the prints. They're so cute. I might go back and buy the Orange Umbrella Co. version too, just to reuse for next year. I loved the colors. I thought they were really good for September as we kind of get into the fall a little bit. The kit did come with some habit trackers. So I have those here. My scripts are from Saya, of course. I think the little paw is as well. A lot of the deco pieces came from the kit. Let's see, what else do I have? I have some Phoenix Plans time stickers mixed in with my Saya time stickers. I kind of just mix and match wherever I have missing times. I pull from whatever shop I have available. And then this is also from Phoenix Plans, as well as the Commissaries of Custom in Costco. This is from Nicole Hutch Designs. Safeway is also from Phoenix Plans. A lot of this came from the kit. The mystery kits come with like a full sheet of mixed script. So there's just a lot there for you to use. So this was fun. Oh, this was fun. I had a little appointment with Talbots. I like to shop there for work and for like my casual wear. And we're really good friends with one of the gals that works there. And she was doing like these little appointments. And if you came in for an appointment, you got like, I don't know, an extra 30% off on something. So of course I wanted to take advantage of that. So pretty good week here. And then week 2, this is the Orange Umbrella Co. Mystery Kit from July. It's called Gnome Night. So there's a lot of Saya planning, like a lot of the usual stuff I use. The habit trackers came with the kit. This is an old Planner Kate sticker. This is a Fern Creek stickers, like mixed icon script. Phoenix plans for some time stickers there. A lot of Saya scripts. This was a good week. This errands is left over from an Ever-Changing Plans kit. I finally got use out of these little arrow stickers. I like them. I think they're super cute. Pretty busy week. There's lots of appointments going on here. I love this. Nope, not today. These little guys are just so cute, and I loved having the journal deco pieces in there. No worry, no cry. I love the little quotes that the little like mystery freebie came with. These Safeway, Target, and Costco, those are all Phoenix plans. This is a sweet kit. Again, love the colors for fall. And then this one, this is a little bit older kit. This one's from Fern Creek Stickers. It's number 122. It's called Happy Blooms. I've got here, let's see, this is an Orange Umbrella Co. habit tracker. I've got a lot of my Saya scripts here. Cute little quote here. I think this might have been from a freebie. I've got a Planner Kate Doodle Girl. Some icons here from the kit. I love these prints as well. The blue and the gold, so cute. This little recycle I use all the time is from Big Elephant Plans. So lots of fun things here. This was when Sophie and I took our trip up to see Emma at school and my younger brother there. So we took them out to dinner. That was really fun. We did a lot of shopping. Okay, and then this week here, this is the Fern Creek Stickers August Mystery Kit. Isn't this beautiful? I love the pinks and the blues in this. I loved all the boxes. How cute is this? Lots of deco pieces from the kit here. Look at how cute all of these little pieces are. Saya scripts as usual. Phoenix plans as usual. Habit trackers from the kit, but my scripts from Saya. I've got time stickers here from both Phoenix Plans and Saya. I love those time stickers. They're so great from both those shops. This was just a really cute way to bring in fall with like unusual colors for fall, I think. I think they did a really good job with it though. It's super cute. And then this final week here in the month, this is an old kit. I actually got the sampler page from a Planner Kate grab bag. And so what I did was when I got it, I went online to see if there were any pieces that were still available. And so I found a couple. So I had enough to kind of scrap together the week. I think it turned out really well. The Happy Birthday is a custom that Saya did for me. My Otis Mids as well. Commissary Costco, you know her from Phoenix Plan. Same with Bank. This one again is from Fern Creek Stickers. This is an old Planner Kate sticker here, little volunteer sticker. A lot of this came from the kit. Budget Time. This one is a Fern Creek Stickers, and then this one's from Ever-Changing Plans. And we've got Chrissy Ann Designs here. We've got Nicole Hutch Designs and Planner Kate. So a lot of mix. I'm using a lot of different shops here. Basketball Practice. That's again Phoenix Plans. I like this. I didn't have a lot of boxes, so I just used a coordinating color from my Tombows and highlighted behind my stickers here. I was exhausted that day. This is leading up to my big conference, my House of Delegates, that'll come in October. And so working a lot here during September. So I like that. And then going into my monthly cleaning page and the Clean Mama routine. So this is using from that same kit that I used in my monthly. It's Orange Umbrella Co. Kit 148, the Flower Garden. So just using the washi leftover boxes, all of my Saya planning Clean Mama scripts. So did pretty good. This was the weekend we were out of town, so I didn't get my Friday, Saturday things done. But pretty good on my dailies and my weeklies. And then looking at the monthly, which was the Entryway. So I did kind of clean out. We don't really have a mudroom, but at my Entryway, we have like a coat rack that Scott made, that like hooks that hang on the wall. So I went through all of those, put away coats that we don't use kind of daily or often, kind of cleaned up that, just sort of clean things up a little bit. Did most of my rotating tasks. I didn't get to the window treatments or rotating the mattresses, but did a lot of it. So feeling pretty good, especially like I said, September and October are super busy because it's the run up to my big conference. So I'm not home a lot. I'm at work a lot. And so just did the best that I could, friends. So that's that. So, okay, let's take a look at my social media. Here's the September index. I don't decorate these. This is just a really hardworking, functional planner here. Believe in the humanity of others. Just wanted to read you the quote. I loved this kit. It was amazing. So this is from Orange Umbrella Co. It's called Vines. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous kit. I've used the boxes from it. You can see that I didn't do much posting in September. Pretty much fell off posting on Instagram in September, October, even back into August as things were really starting to ramp up. But I just thought this was a gorgeous kit. I was a little late in getting my August flip through filmed and up. I had like an Erin Condren warehouse sale that I bought stuff from. I had the Archer and Olive sub box. So a lot of other things happening in the month that I wanted to get videos up for. So my August flip through didn't get done until October, which kind of pushes me out. This flip through for September is actually being posted in November. I love this little system that I've been doing using my monthly kit here and weekly kits here. It's super easy for me to reflect back on the kits that I used and just kind of planning them out. And this washi, look at this kit is so gorgeous. I love it. This YouTube sticker is from Big Elephant Plans. These here are from Saya Planning. So these are also from Saya Planning. I heard her do customs for me on that. And then the rest of this I just use for notes when I'm making notes on things I want to talk about. So that's it for my social media. All right, friends, so just back to the beginning of September. I think that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.